just count from 1 to 10 or 0 to 9. Just count it for me louder into the mic. Yeah. Okay, stop. Because your number is not a higher number, because in the beginning is very, very fast. After that, it became really slow. So I think it was in the first few numbers, the first digit. It was right. It was very strong to the very last. I think third digit. No need to count. Just think about that number. Okay. And the last digit. This was the day you were born? No. But this was something specific for you? It was your postcard number. It's 1987. Right. Just